Hi, my name is Alfonso Alejandro Javier Duarte. I elaborated the dream machine called the Reader, invented by Ariana and all her or his friends back in Slovenia. This is how it works. Basically, you have to open the compartment in the middle of the robot. Then you will find a Bluetooth speaker inside the robot. You turn on the speaker, you or your parents choosing a cell phone, a book for the robot to read. Then you adjust the volume of your preference. You then have to close the box and the speaker will start playing the audio. You just have to enjoy a good story for you to go to bed. It's really simple, but it gets the job done. If you need a book reader, this robot will do magic for you. I hope you enjoyed this recreation of WALL-E because I did it with a lot of effort and love. Thank you very much. Bye bye.